issued a flood warning for East Central Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Western Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in Northern Virginia, until 8:45 a.m. At 4:39 a.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Rainfall amounts up to 1 inch have already occurred, and an additional 1 to 2 inches expected within the next hour. Heavy rainfall will cause creeks and streams to rise out of their banks as well as flooding in urban areas. Some locations that may experience flooding include Linton Hall, Bull Run, Haymarket, Manassas, Sutter Lake, Manassas Park, Gainesville, New Baltimore, Linden Hill, Milksville, Catlett, Calverton, Broken Hill, Greenwich, and Bristersburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering floods. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flash flood watch in effect until midnight tonight. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood watch for portions of Virginia and eastern West Virginia, including the following areas. In Virginia, Albemarle, Augusta, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Greene, Madison, Nelson, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Page, Rappahannock, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Western Highland. In eastern West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Pendleton, Hardy, Western Grant, and Western Pendleton. Until midnight tonight, slow-moving showers and thunderstorms this afternoon and evening will be capable of producing intense rainfall rates that could lead to flash flooding. High rainfall rates may lead to rapid rises of water in low-lying and poor drainage areas as well as some small streams. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Warning for northwestern Garrett County in western Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 3:11 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 2 inches. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bittinger, Grantsville, Accident, Kaisers Ridge, Jennings. This includes Interstate 68 in Maryland between mile markers 8 and 2. Turn around. Don't drown. Most flood fatalities occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Hardy, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Central Hardy County in eastern West Virginia until 8:45 p.m. At 2:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Moorfield, Rigg, McNeil, Bean Settlement, Old Fields, Lost City, Lost River, Fisher, Baker, and Inkerman. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Greene, Madison, Page, Rockingham, Shenandoah, and Warren. The The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia, central Shenandoah County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Rockingham County in western Virginia, southwestern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, Page County in northwestern Virginia, central Greene County in central Virginia, until 9:45 p.m. Saturday. At 3:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Woodstock, Luray, Shenandoah, Massanutten, Mount Jackson, Stanley, Big Meadows, Elkton, New Market, Edinburgh, Alma, Newport, Rocky Bar, Hunneville, Ingham, Kings Crossing, Leettsville, Seven Fountains, Ida and Hamburg. Rockingham County in western Virginia, southwestern Page County in northwestern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Shenandoah, Massanutten, Elkton, Newport, Hunneville, and Ingham. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, central Clark County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia, southwestern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, south central Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winchester, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Winchester, Charlestown, Millwood Pike, Ranson, Berryville, Boyce, Midway, Brucetown, Greenwood, Cedar Grove, Gaylord, Clearbrook, Ridgeway, Briggs, Stevenson, Waitsville, Wickliffe, Summit Point, Cedar Hill, and Albin. Get indoors to protect yourself from wind and lightning. Trees around you may be down from damaging winds, so if you are near large trees, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. Don't drive underneath trees or in wooded areas until the threat has passed. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Clark and Frederick, and the Virginia independent city of Winchester, the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for East Central Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Clark County in northwestern Virginia, the city of Winchester in northwestern Virginia until 10:45 p.m. Saturday. At 4:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Winchester, Millwood Pike, Stevenson, Brucetown, Waitsville, Greenwood, Gainsboro, Cedar Hill, Cedar Grove, Clear Brook, Albin, and Stringtown. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. In Maryland, Frederick and Montgomery, and Lebanon, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for northwestern Montgomery County in central Maryland, south central Frederick County in north central Maryland, northeastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 1:00 a.m. Sunday. At 6:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Adamstown, Dalbs, Tuscarora, Luggett, and Dickerson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A state of Virginia has issued a flood warning for southwestern Frederick County in north central Maryland until 1:30 a.m. Sunday. At 7:27 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain which will cause flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Point of Rocks and Jefferson. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.